Hey everyone, welcome back to English Simplified channel. I'm certain that you have ever heard or seen a sentence begins with had, haven't you? All right, today we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar, focusing on the third conditional, especially when it's introduced by the word had. If you've ever wondered how to express hypothetical situations that didn't happen in the past, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
English Simplified channel.
Your channel to learn English.
Subscribe for more.
Part 1. What is the third conditional? The third conditional is used to talk about hypothetical situations in the past, things that didn't happen but could have. The structure usually goes like this. If clause, if plus past perfect, had plus past participle. Main clause, would have plus past participle. But there's a cool twist. You can start the sentence with had instead of if, which is often done to sound a bit more formal or poetic. Let's see how that works. Part 2. Structure and examples. Let's break down the structure. When we start with had, the sentence typically looks like this. Had plus past participle, would have plus past participle. For example, had I known about the meeting, I would have attended. Here, had I known replaces if I had known. Easy, right? Let's explore more examples. Example 1. Had she studied harder, she would have passed the exam. This sentence can be rewritten by using if, or it's just similar to. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. In this case, we're saying she didn't study hard, so she didn't pass. It's a reflection on a past event that didn't happen. Example 2. Had we left earlier, we would have caught the train. This sentence can be rewritten by using if, or it's just similar to, if we had left earlier, we would have caught the train. Here, the speakers are expressing regret. They missed the train because they left late. This sentence shows a hypothetical scenario where leaving earlier would have led to catching the train. Example 3. Had they taken a different route, they would have arrived on time. When using if, this sentence sounds, if they had taken a different route, they would have arrived on time. This sentence suggests that a different decision in the past could have changed the outcome. They didn't take a different route, so they didn't arrive on time. Part 3. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Now let's talk about some common mistakes people make with the third conditional. Mistake 1. Using present or past simple instead of past perfect. Correct. Had she known, not had she knows or had she knew. Mistake 2. Confusing would have with would. Correct. Would have passed, not would passed. Remember, the past perfect form had plus past participle is crucial in the if clause, and would have plus past participle is essential in the main clause. Part 4. Engaging activity. Let's make this interactive. I'm going to give you a sentence, and you need to complete it using the third conditional with had. Ready? Here it is. Had I seen the warning signs? Write your answers in the comments below. I'll be reading through them and giving feedback. That's it for today's lesson on the third conditional with had. I hope you found this video helpful and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome English lessons. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments. Until next time, happy learning.